Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Amelia Minaldi. I will review a novel entitled A Song of Shadows. This is assignment mid exam intermediate reading. I have read a novel, A Song of Shadows, and this author is John Connolly. This novel published in 2015. This is tell about a Charlie Parker was injured while investigate a case that rules its Nazi concentration in the Second World War. While investigate, the man meet with Ruth Winter and her daughter. The woman name is Ruth Winter and her daughter name Amanda. Ruth Winter has a secret from her past and she hiding her past from other people. And in several time, Charlie Parker know about her secret, and this is related to the Second World War. And then a reporter meet with Charlie Parker, and Charlie Parker interview with the reporter, and reporter asks about what happened in the Second World War and why there are injury in his body. And then Charlie Parker answered it honestly, and he is asked to investigate again by the reporter. And then Charlie Parker investigate the case again, and finally he can find out a case what happened in the Second World War. I like this novel because this novel make me curious when I read this story. This story is very unique because when we read chapter 1, the chapter 1 title is What Would Your Good Do If Evil Didn't Exist, and What Would the Earth Look Like If All the Shadows Disappeared? And then after we read this title, we can find a part, and this is there are part 1, and part 1 provide a story, and this is start with introduce and tell about what happened in the first story. And then after that there are provide part 2, and this part 2 is provide different story, and but this is related for investigate Charlie Parker to investigate a case. And the story just has 3 chapter, and then the 3 chapter has several part. In this part 1, for example, has 7 part. In chapter 2 has 6 part, and then in chapter 3 has a 5 part. And then I think this language of this novel is too advanced level for you, and it's not recommended for you who basic in English. And I realized that my English is still not good, and I keep read this novel because I curious what about story in this novel, and what ending of the story. And then this story actually make we dizzy if we don't know this language, and if don't understand what is the theme of this novel has genres fiction, and especially in fiction, every novel also has a fiction genres, and this is tell about story, and story is mystery, and I like this novel because this novel is tell about mystery and several mystery of this novel. And then in this novel is has a tension when this is very many plot twists when we read every part in this chapter. The background is very related with the story. This is dark background, and the font is so aesthetic. Yeah, I think this is a recommended novel for you who advanced level in English, and actually you can read this, and you can read, although your English is still basic like me. And yeah, no problem if you can understand what about this story, and you can read this repeat every day. I think that's all about my review about this novel, A Song of Shadows. I think you receive it. If there's mistake, I'm so sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.